super cloudy, so I'm hoping it doesn't rain till like 10 at least. So at least I have like 1 hour of beach time, you know. But it's a good day. It's a good day. I can feel it. The mall is so quiet. Like, people setting up. I'm just here walking. I made it. We got my spot. I love this. I love seeing people swim. I wish I can swim. I'll be there probably. As people are coming in slowly. And yeah, I have the time here for myself. I'm having granola. Nature's Valley. I love this shit. Look, it kind of looks like sand. But I love it. There are more and more groups of people coming in. When I was here, it was just 2 other people. It's really cloudy, but I think it rained in the morning because the sand is like moist. Club. I'm just hoping they don't blast music the moment they open their store because I'll be so pissed. It's quiet. I'm just hearing birds chirping, the wave crashing, and the big cargo ships at the back. It's not pleasant, but I'll make it work. A group of people over there. I just joined. I brought my earpiece. I'm a sucker for wired earpiece. I like that I don't have to charge it. It's ready to use all the time, and I don't lose it. You know, if I were to buy like wireless AirPods, I would definitely cry my eyes out if I ever like misplace them. Let me see. What should I listen to? Go for Carpenters. I really love this. It's like my childhood. You can see the sun from like in between the clouds, and that's pretty much telling me that I need to go back. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. I ate my breakfast, I read a little bit of my book, listened to some music, and I think it's time to go home and rest. Bye! Hi guys, I just went thrifting, came home from the beach, and I did some workout, lunch, and I went thrifting. Very excited. I bought 3 items and the total was $17. I went to Lucky Plaza today. I went thrifting the past few days and I have no luck of anything. They're either too expensive or there just weren't any nice clothes. for myself. Just trying my luck, honestly. The first item that we have is an oversized white top. So what I like about this is that it splits on the side. I can just tuck in, still have the back like out with no problem. The best part is it's a v-neck. It's a v-neck oversized top, and it was $5. Next one I bought, I think it's very common these days, this kind of like knitted top. Super cute, very Y2K I feel. So I'm gonna wear it as off shoulder kind of style. I didn't realize how yellow it was until I stepped outside. It still works really well with denim colors, so I think it's still safe. Last one. This was such a good find, honestly. I walked into the store and I was just flipping through. This was just there, like staring at me. When I looked at it, I was like, I have to get it. It's a beautiful brown dress, super lacy. Like that, and the best part is I don't think this has been worn before because the tags are still, I could see what's the original price, $39.90. I picture myself wearing with black boots. This was $5, this was $8, and this was $4. Total $17. But I think I need to stop thrifting for now. I've been thrifting the entire of March. It's getting unhealthy.